Hello viewers. Welcome to the news spotlight around the world. At Himadribprasadroy. First, the headlines. North Koreans try to avoid forced construction work. The workers, called stormtroopers, must endure harsh conditions working on Kim Jong Un's 10,000 homes project. Rural factory workers in North Korea are doing whatever they can to avoid being conscripted as construction workers on a major state project to build tens of thousands of homes in the capital of Pyongyang because the hours are long, the conditions are harsh and they cannot return home even in emergencies, residents told Radio Free Asia. Normally people would consider it a privilege to be sent to Pyongyang, as only the elite and well-connected are allowed to live there and only the most loyal of people from the provinces are ever allowed to visit. But as construction workers, officially called stormtroopers, they are made to toil endlessly on Supreme Leader Kim Jong Un's pet project that promises 10,000 homes in the capital per year over a period of 5 years. Started in 2021, the project is entering its 4th year, and has been rife with setbacks, fatal accidents, and a lack of food so severe that workers resort to crime to feed themselves. Most stormtroopers are people in the military, but the project is such a priority that the government also diverts workers from among the civilian ranks. Bribes and sacrifice. To avoid going to Pyongyang, workers in factories are even trying to bribe their way out of it, the residents told RFA. Each factory and company is busy preparing shift workers to go to join the housing construction stormtroopers in Pyongyang, an official from a company in Onsong County, in the northeastern province of North Hamgyong, told RFA Korean on condition of anonymity for security reasons. He explained that the next crop of workers will need to replace those finishing their 6-month tour at the end of this month. We need to confirm the manpower to be mobilized within this month, but no one wants to go, the resident said. There are quite a few factories that determine who gets chosen by drawing numbers. But many workers insist that they cannot go with various personal excuses when their number is called.